Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about one more new topic, that is the microservices, which is currency exchange service and currency conversion service. How we can able to inter work with these particular services. What exactly currency exchange and currency conversions. For this, I can able to show you one more USD, that is this particular one. Okay, here we can show logs. See now, if you mention for anything USD, now I'm going to mention and I can able to get for there is immediate reflection for this, right? $83 Indian currency conversion, okay, from USD to, and we can able to get IR, okay. Then how we can able to get these services immediately? How we can able to get it? This one, basically there is a dependency on these two services, currency exchange service and currency conversion service. These two services need to be interlinked with each other. If the two interlinks is not happening as expected, 200% we cannot able to get for this particular 83 rupees of that response. Okay, and even we can able to see network also, it is not happening because without network happening, it is communicated easily. This is the service, it is by default in the backend. Okay, this is another portal which is exe.com, and if you mention for $2, okay, now automatically it will load and it will give for $166 it is going to provide. Okay, if you click for anything, like you can see, somewhere it will be presented, because it will impact will be immediately, because we need to see the proper network tab to get that proper response. If that particular proper response if you see, then we can able to know about that what exactly it will give us. That naming convention, it is a exe, that Indian dollar, this is the URL we are going to get for America. Amount is $2 from USD to INR we are going to convert. This is our conversion. You can see there is a currency converter convert amount. This is the URL we can able to see in the top also. Okay, the same thing we can able to get, but unfortunately it is not able to display that particular URL, but you can able to see this is a conversion. Okay, that exchange, it is ask you for some amount you can able to provide and you can able to get it. Okay, and for this I'm going to use for this particular in 28 minutes, this is a public repo, and there I'm going to download for DevOps masterclass one. And here you can able to, once you download in your local, and you can able to see there is a projects folder, and inside the project there is a microservices. Okay, in this microservices, there are two folders. One is currency exchange and another one is currency conversion. Okay, these are the two things. And if you open for readme, and you can able to get for entire information about the currency conversion, how it will be, the JSON will be look like, and currency conversion, what is the data it will be look like. Okay, this is the proper information he provided in this particular readme file. Okay, and how you can able to open. Now from here you can able to go ahead here, and also you can able to search for hub public or 28 minutes, and here also you can able to clone, or you can able to pull something from here, and also you can able to do it. Okay, there is called currency conversion and currency exchange. There are two things are presented. I'm going to click this one and I'm going to click this one, two things. Okay, and in the Docker Hub I'm going to take for this is a currency exchange service, and I'm going to copy this particular one, or else you can go for inside the tags. Okay, and here you can able to see the couple of tags are presented. There is a 1.1, 1.11 and 1.12, the services are presented, and I'm going to pulling for 1.1. Okay, and from here I'm pasting here. Okay, now this particular service I'm going to run from CMD. Okay, and I'm maximizing this particular service, like CMD a docker container run -p. Now here we need to run for 8,000. Even he provided for readme file location, you can able to see currency conversion. There is a currency exchange. It is a port of 8000. Okay, 8000 is the port we can able to use it. Okay, for here we can able to use for 8000. Previous we used for 5000 port, and also we can able to use for 8000, and then I'm going to use for my snapshot. Okay, now if it is presented in my local, then it will clone that. If it is not presented, then it will uh, use it like remote repository to pull that particular project. Okay, sorry, my Docker is not up and running. Okay. Docker desktop should be run, then only it will communicate with the Docker things. I forgot to start because our command prompt need to be connect, right? For the Docker desktop is mandatory. Now my Docker got up and running now. Now I'm going to here and I can go ahead here, and I'll do one more thing from here. I'll mention hyphen name equal to currency exchange service. Okay, and this is the name tag which we can able to provide, and based upon the name tag we can able to see in that in container location. Okay, now I'm running. Error response daemon driver failed programming exchange contain endpoint of currency exchange service binding of it is failed, the property is already allocated. Allocated. Okay, something containers are running. Okay, there are two containers is already running right now. Okay, we can need to stop that Docker container. Stop EF 990. Okay, now we stop that service, and also we can need to stop for another service, that is 93F86. Okay, now again we can able to list that particular one. No lists are presented, then we can able to hit it. Now service already used by the container F9. Okay. Okay, we can able to use for currency exchange is the name now. Our service, then it is started my Spring Boot and everything. It is going to pull for entire things. Now 8000 is our port number. Now it is started almost. Now it is going to start our service. Okay, then we can need to go for our readme, and this is my currency exchange URL. Okay, now I'm going to copy this exchange and I'm coming to here, and I'm making from here to hit that particular URL. If we hit, now we can see, we can able to see this is the response, we can able to get it. Okay, now the same thing I'm going to use for currency exchange, currency conversion also. Currency conversion also I can do for the same thing. Okay, and here is one more like snapshot. This is the my currency conversion snapshot. I'm going to take this particular one and I'm going to open another CMD, and again I'm going to use for docker run -p. Now this is the one 8100 hyphen name, and we can specify equal to currency hyphen conversion. Okay, this is the name of the conversion. I'm going to maximize this page, CMD, and this is my port and all. Now I'm going to hit it. Now the active presences count of 8 and also Java memory it is started for that particular, and it is not pulled it here because of already I have in my local. Due to that it is not able to pull it. Okay, but in your case it will pull your code and all. Okay, now currency exchange, and this is my URL. We can able to copy this URL. We can go ahead here and we can able to paste it here and run. Now we are able to get for status as 500. We are not able to get it. White label error page because of it is not able to communicate with the currency exchange to currency conversion, because we can able to see here from here to here we are conversion, and here also we can able to see the conversion is happening from conversion exchange to that particular one. It is not happening now. Okay, how you can able to link to together to that particular things. Okay, that we can able to say into our next video session time. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.